you want to transform a video like this to this one. Exactly, my friends. We're gonna see in this video how we can use chroma key to remove green screen background in Filmora. Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. So without further ado, let's get started. First, import the video that has green screen to your project. That can be done by clicking on this import media. Once you click on it, you can select the source of the file. I have it in here. Select it and open it. It will be imported to our project. Now, next step is to add it to our project by clicking on this plus sign. Or you can alternatively drag it to your timeline like this. I'm going to add it simply by clicking on this plus sign. Now, what's the second step? We have already imported it in our project and then added to the timeline. The second step is to apply the chroma key. And it can be done by going to this button which says Chroma Key AI Portrait Smart Cutout. Now, if you click on chroma key, let's see how it looks. Voila, it is already gone. But if you are not quite happy with the output, you can just adjust this offset or tolerance or edge thickness and others. I'm happy with the default one, so I'm gonna reset it and do chroma key and click OK. So for future video adjustment, in order to convert to the other one, you can just follow these steps. You can add a background to this and you can import another picture with a copy and you can add it too in your project. You can transform the position of the pencil bag and you can add a sticker and adjust the pencil position. To apply your newly learned chroma key tool, you can further adjust this video by applying chroma key to this background, white background of the copy. So let's do that. The first step is always to select the media. Now this is selected. Click on this option which says Chroma Key AI Portrait and Smart Cutout. Select the chroma key. Now by default green is selected. We don't want it right now. So to change it, you click on this eyedrop tool and select the color that we want to be gone from the video. This is the color that we want to remove. So let's click on it. There you have it. Our green screen background remover chroma key in action. I hope you had fun transforming your videos from simple green screen video to a exciting video. This much for today, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.